Hi everyone, Natasha here and around my home today. We are back in the kitchen and as you can see the sun is out. It's kind of partly sunny today, but I'll take a little bit of sun and I think warmer temperatures. We had some colder temperatures and a few snowflakes over the weekend, but other than that it was a good slow, relaxing weekend. My husband, bless his heart, worked a lot of overtime, so it was mostly just my daughter and I, but we had some good mommy-daughter time, and now we're all back to routine. So happy Monday. Today is November 20. I have to peek because I can't remember. November 25th. It's always the hardest thing for me to remember what day it is. I needed an extra cup of coffee this morning, so I have that and just kind of getting started on my day. I've already done my morning routine. My load of laundry, I just switched to the dryer. I had that started before we left the house for school. So I did my little usual routine of walking through my hilly little town. It's only maybe a mile and a half if I just do the normal route, but after I drop my daughter off, then I do that. So I've gotten my exercise in for the day and always makes me feel better, even though it's a little cold and I'm having to layer up even more now. But when I came back, then the laundry was ready to switch, so that's in the dryer. I've got the kitchen cleaned up, as you can see. So breakfast is done, and now it's on to weekly home blessing hour. So we are on to mission number 26, right? Let me double check that. Yes, week 6 of our cruising through the holidays mission. So it's mission number 26, and that's, as you know, Monday's usually weekly home blessing hour day. So I am gonna, as soon as I'm done with this, just get busy doing the rest of it. I always take our trash out on Saturday, or on Sunday, I'm sorry. So Sunday night I take our trash, empty all the trash in the house and then take it down to the road because it gets picked up Monday morning. So that's done. The sheets will be put up back on the bed after they're dry today. And then the only couple of Okay, sorry, the phone rang and we got disconnected there. But so yes, I'm working on my weekly home blessing hour, and the Fly Lady's notes for today for our mission is just a reminder that it's only an hour, so she only wants you to spend 5 to 10 minutes in each room of the house, and it's just the main living areas. So your main bathroom, living room, kitchen, dining room, if that's considered a main room, just the main high traffic areas. Do a quick dust, do a quick vacuum or sweep, and if you need to, just grab your little bottle of Windex or window cleaner and a rag and get any of the glass surfaces while you're in that space, then do that. But the biggest thing is don't clean it if it's not visibly dirty, because you're just trying to do sort of a top shine of everything. So like if the mirror's fine, then don't clean it. If the window's fine, then don't clean it. This isn't zone cleaning. It's just a real quick kind of go through the house, get it ready to go. If you're hosting Thanksgiving, then you can feel like, okay, the house is in good shape for that. If you have time and you want to do a little more, as part of your zone cleaning, then that's fine. But just set your timer and make it only 5 to 10 minutes in each room so you can get it done and move on with your day. So that's what I'm going to be doing. My main focus is usually getting the floors swept or mopped. That's always the last thing that I get to, and I put it off and take too many days in between doing it. But oh well, it'll get done today. And like I said, making the beds back up, putting the sheets on the beds, and I'll do some of the mirrors and windows, but I usually just focus on the zone that we're in. So since we're in week 4, this is usually the master bedroom. If you follow the Fly Lady, I do a flip-flop. So I do my master bedroom in zone 3, and then this last week of the month, I usually do my daughter's bedroom and extra rooms in the house. But anyway, so just do a little quick clean, get the trash, do a little dust, get the floors. If you need to shine anything up, do that. But move on through the house and keep going. And hopefully you're getting excited and ready for Thanksgiving. We have a few coming up. That's usually how our holidays go. We go to my mom's side and then my dad's and then my husband's side, and they're in opposite directions. So it's spread out over a couple of days, which is always fun, but we just have to plan for it and pace ourselves and conserve our energy a little bit so that we can enjoy it. So as part of just kind of getting myself going in my morning routine, I did put my essential oil diffuser on, so that's running right behind you. And I just wanted to share really quickly, one of my favorite essential oil blends right now is couple that I had not heard of, or well, I've heard of frankincense is one, but I've never really used it. So Jordan Essentials has that now, so I've started using that. Just a few drops of that. I have an Acacia diffuser, so it holds 10 to 15 drops of essential oils with the water, and it'll run for a total of like 7-ish hours. So I usually do like 2 to 3 drops of the frankincense, and then 2 to 3 drops of orange, and then most of it is our resistance blend, that like about 10 drops of resistance, and that has clove, cinnamon, lemon, eucalyptus, and what's the other one that I'm missing? Clove, cinnamon, lemon, rosemary, and eucalyptus. So it's just a nice holiday blend, makes the house smell good, kind of freshens things up and feels cozy. So if you have an essential oil, or you want an essential oil diffuser, or you want to light a candle, just do something to kind of make the process fun and enjoyable. And I am looking forward to finishing my coffee and having that nice aroma through the house. So thanks for joining me today. Hopefully you are, if you are just picking this up, just jump in today. There's no need to go back and do all the other missions. Just pick up where we are and keep going. And I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow on Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button if you're enjoying this series. And I will look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye-bye.